as I blend.
Hey guys, Apple Maniac YT here. As you saw from the title and thumbnail, today I'm going to be putting an iPhone 4S, this iPhone 4S, that I scratched with a knife. I did a scratch test with a knife, froze it in ice and threw it out of a 13-foot window, and then cut the bottom off using a crowbar and mallet. And today I'm now going to be blending it in a blender. A $5 blender from Goodwill that I don't know if it's going to blow up or not trying to blend an iPhone. This was a suggestion by Jaiden The Gamer, a longtime fan of my channel. Thank you, Jaiden, for this suggestion, because I'm very interested if it's going to blend through this iPhone or not. I don't know. Let's go find out. Alright guys, I am outside my house, so if you do hear noises, like as cars going by, have the iPhone. I'm going to pop it in the blender, just like that. And this is glass, so I don't know how that is going to go. But let's just go ahead and see what happens when I turn on the blender. Oh shit. Okay. Interesting. Let me adjust the camera a tiny bit. I don't know how it's doing. Let's do it a little more. Alright, let me remove the lid, which is very, very difficult to do. Alright, there we go. Take a look at it. Not much happened, you know, the bottom's a little scratched. I'm gonna stick it in top first this time and see what happens. Oh! Well, that's not good. I mean, it's good for this video, but, you know. Bam. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like now. Damn. Alright, well, the back is pretty much gone. The rest of the phone didn't fare too well. Alright, well, I'm gonna toss it back in. I might have to add some water, you know, to help it blend. I'm trying to make a nice iPhone dust. That's basically what I'm shooting for. Maybe like iPhone smoothie. Okay. Trying to move it around, you know. I'm surprised that it's not damaging the blender. Alright, well, let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, guys. Yeah. Well, don't blend an iPhone. Because, I mean, if you want your iPhone back after you blend it, hell, you're not getting it back. Don't look too good. Well, let's keep blending it. Lid's on there good enough. Ooh. Let me get the lid on because it's popping like crazy. blender for a sec. Get it nice and mixed up. Sorry, trying to adjust the camera so you can see the iPhone a little better. Let's try to get an overhead shot of while it's blending. I think that'll be kind of cool. If I can remove the lid. There we go. Oh god, damn, that's not gonna work because it's sending glass everywhere. It's very hot. Alright guys, so I've decided to take out the big metal bits and let's grind up like the screen and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna put the lid on. That's backwards. I don't care. Okay, I do care. The lid does need to be forwards. Ooh. Ooh, damn, it doesn't smell good at all. Alright, well, I think this is going to top off the video. It's a very well blended iPhone. If I can get the lid off and show you guys. Damn. That thing's really, really messed up. There's the screen. Or at least what's left of it after being attacked by a blender. Yeah. Well, I'm going to put the other bits in. Look at that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't put an iPhone 4S in a blender if you don't want it to turn out like that. Comment, like, and subscribe. These videos take a lot of work and time to edit, so actually, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. I have 469 subscribers as of recording this video. Yeah. Peace out, guys.